Rihanna is officially the wealthiest female musician in the world, with a fortune of $600 million. She's richer than Madonna, Celine Dion, and even Beyoncé. According to her label, Roc Nation, she has sold more than 60 million albums and 215 million digital tracks, making her the second best-selling digital artist of all time. But all that wealth didn't just come from her music. Here's how Rihanna makes and spends her millions. Rihanna got her start as a musician. She was discovered by an American record producer at age 15, and shortly thereafter was signed by Jay-Z. Since then, she has had 14 #1 songs, and in 2016 made an estimated $22.3 million from her music alone. Not to mention her world tours like Diamonds, which generated a total of $137 million in revenue. But these days, most of her wealth comes from partnerships, campaigns, and endorsement deals, like the $1 million partnership she made with Puma in 2014. Puma brought Rihanna on as its creative director, and sales rose by a reported 16% in the first 16 months. Turns out everything Rihanna touches seemingly turns to gold. In fact, her fans are 3.7 times more likely to purchase products from her than any other celebrity, according to a study published in 2016, and that fan-based loyalty is worth tens of millions of dollars when it comes to her cosmetic and clothing lines. Rihanna's most profitable partnership is with the luxury company LVMH. In 2017, she partnered with LVMH to develop a cosmetic line called Fenty Beauty, which generated more than $550 million in its first year. It initially sold foundation shades, but has since expanded to other products like lipstick, lip gloss, body glitter, and more. Rihanna holds an estimated 15% stake in the $3 billion company, and she teamed up with LVMH again in 2019 to launch Fenty, a new high fashion house based in Paris. It's the first new fashion house LVMH has started since 1987, and Rihanna is not the only first woman of color to lead a major fashion house. She's also the youngest. So with these deals and revenue streams pouring in, what does Rihanna do with all of her money? For one, Rihanna has proven to be quite the entrepreneur, with smart investing. She reportedly put $34 million of her own money towards building Fenty with LVMH, and she also has a business eye in the real estate market. She purchased a mansion in LA for $6.8 million, and later listed it for $7.4 million. As for where she lives, she's currently in a 7-bedroom home in London, where she pays rent for $20,363 a week. And when she travels, it's on private jets and yachts. In 2011, she chartered a yacht for $300,000 a week to take her around the French Riviera, and she's not afraid of an expensive night out. In 2013, she reportedly spent $8 grand in one night at a Miami strip club. And another night, she dropped $17,000 at a strip club in Houston with Drake, the rapper. Rihanna also enjoys dishes prepared by her personal chef, Debbie Solomon, and she reportedly spends $38 grand a week on her beauty regime, keeping a personal makeup artist, dermatologist, and lash technician on staff. So yeah, she enjoys living lavishly, but she also likes to give back. In 2012, Rihanna established the Clara and Lionel Foundation, named after her grandparents. The foundation aims to provide quality education and healthcare to children worldwide. She also hosts an annual Diamond Ball to benefit the foundation. Throughout the course of her career, Rihanna has become a highly influential global icon, and her brand is thriving and net worth growing. Who knows what she'll do next? That is the end of the video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell